Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about a powerful strategy for boosting your website's SEO and increasing traffic, adding backlinks on Quora. Quora is a popular question and answer platform, and when used correctly, it can be a goldmine for driving organic traffic to your website. So, if you want to learn how to do it right, stick around. Log in your Quora account. Now, you need a website to link with your Quora questions answer. Here is our website. This is a digital marketing agency called seordev. There is tons of services available in seordev. For example, social media marketing, social media management, YouTube marketing, search engine optimization, lead generation, web story, etc. I am gonna backlink this website on Quora. You can use your website URL to link with Quora by following those steps. Go to your Quora website homepage. My demonstrating website is about SEO and marketing. Also, we have a service named Social Media Marketing. I am going to search for a question about this particular topic. What is social media marketing? Now, find a question which has more following about your topic. Click on the answer button to answer the question. Write an answer on the following topic. I am pasting an answer to which one I wrote before. Make sure your answer is beneficial for the questioner. Here is our answer. We're going to link our website to our given answer. Now, go to your website and copy the URL. Select a word or phrase to create a backlink with your website. I'm gonna link our website with this social media marketing phrase. Now, click on the letter icon at the left bottom corner. Here you will find an option that looks like link something. Click on it. Paste the copied website's URL in this box. Then click on Add. Once you have done it successfully, it will turn into a blue color. We successfully created a backlink with the social media marketing phrase. Now, click on Post, and then click on Done. Now if anyone reads your answer and clicks on this highlighted social media marketing phrase, he will be redirected to our website. So, that's how you can increase traffic for your website. That's it for today. Subscribe our channel for those kind of helpful tutorial and hit that bell icon for the notification of our new video.